Our plant is a part of the Kemerova Pharmaceuticals production holding. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief production engineer for 10 years and know all the equipment at the plant well. I made the selection of new equipment myself, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. In addition to the basic equipment, there was a need to replace consumables, which blunt and lose their properties over time of constant use. The head of production asked to purchase new daters for the packaging and shipping department. Daters are a type of pharmaceutical labeling equipment that is used for applying various ways of information about the date of manufacture and expiration date on the pharmaceutical packaging of goods. I am used to doing my job properly and working only with professionals. I took the question of choosing daters seriously. I did not use the internet to search for them, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were a lot of daters at the exhibition, different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. I've chosen 3 manufacturers of daters, examined their assortment, took contact information from representatives. It was necessary to make a complete list of necessary devices, and buy them from one manufacturer. Having returned to the company, I coordinated the list of necessary daters with the head of production, and began communicating by phone with representatives of companies. A company from Germany agreed to supply daters, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I could not travel to the European Union, as I did not have a visa, and the process of obtaining one would have taken at least 3 months. One company from China sent me a catalog of products in the mail. I chose for a long time, but I could not understand the presented range of devices, their characteristics and features. A third manufacturer from Novosibirsk listened to me and told me that he could deliver the order I chose only after 10 months, citing the large amount of work. I had to refuse, since the modernization must be done in the shortest possible time. I realized that I would not be able to find and procure the entire list of fixtures on my own. This somewhat diminished my confidence. However, here I was helped by the manager of the company from Novosibirsk, who advised a specialist in the supply of pharmaceutical equipment, which could help me find all the required list of daters. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company in Moscow. At that time I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked me some clarifying questions about the required stamping volumes. I was pleased with his professional and business-like approach. After a preliminary consultation, we made a list of daters, and the specialist sent it to me by email. He indicated that the order would be delivered within a month. Such a short delivery time was a great way out for me. We made a contract for the delivery of 5 daters for various purposes, and in a month I received the desired number of expiration dates. I plan to contact the manager of this company for advice and purchase of a blister machine for pills. I am sure that he will pick up a quality technique for me. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such specialists work to make us continue to think so.